Hello, and today this is another how to fix it from deutschsteel.com, and I'm Craig, and today I'm going to show you how to repair a garbage disposal. Yes, this is my garbage disposal, and my wife said it was leaking, and sure enough she was right. Got underneath my sink and all the pipes looked good, but the bottom of the garbage disposal was dripping pretty constantly. So I figured something inside the motor and took it apart. Sure enough, here, Peyton, get that light in there. Sure enough, after cleaning it all up, we found a hole right on the seam of the motor casing right here. And it's a pot metal, sort of kind of like aluminum, and it's kind of a white metal. So Alumaloy is what we're going to use to fix this, and it should work real well. All I need to use is a propane torch, something to clean the surface with, and Alumaloy rod, which you see right there. So we're going to do that. Also pay attention to whatever you're repairing. Make sure there's nothing that's flammable or anything that you can ruin. This one's got a seal, and I'm going to make sure that I take that off before I start to repair it. Alright, and I'm going to ask my son to hold the camera. Here we go, Peyton.
Okay.
And hold it still there on the fix. I'm going to light the torch. Be very careful. I'm wearing safety goggles. Never can be too safe. Alright. Hold that light over there, Peyton. Now, projects, depending on what you're working on, the bigger the project, the longer it may take to heat. Aluminum, by nature, is a cool metal, so it dissipates heat very quickly. You want to make sure you get this nice and heated up pretty well, and it might take a little bit here. It might take about less than a minute, hopefully. It's kind of cold in the garage. It's winter time. Another thing that's important to know is when I'm heating this up, I'm not directly putting the rod in the flame. I'm heating the surface. I've already cleaned off the metal. You don't want any rust or contamination, so use a wire brush. I've got a Dremel with a wire brush attachment that I use to clean it off. Just kind of run the flame back and forth, get that nice and hot. I don't think it's hot enough yet, but if you touch the rod to the fix, oh yeah, it's getting there. Starting to break down a little bit. It needs to be just a little bit hotter. It's really neat how this works. Now I could have run to the store and bought another garbage disposal, but the motor's still good in this one. So I figured I'd save a little bit of money. Looks like it's just about there. There it goes. And you can see it break down. There we go. Make sure I got enough on there to cover the hole. Alright. And we'll let that cool. Now the nice thing about Alumaloy is you can do all kinds of things with it. You can drill and tap it. You can sand it down. You can polish it. You can paint it. What I'll probably do with this fix is, you know, I don't want it to get rusty again, so I'll take some rubberized coating and spray this a little bit, you know, to protect it from the water. I should do pretty well with that. Be sure to check out our website at www.deutschsteel.com, and a list of the other products that we sell will pop up on the screen here shortly. Thanks again.